Welcome to visit YH4.2K48500EU BMS communication video. Turn on Wi-Fi. Then the inverter switch must be turned on. Plug the Wi-Fi into the Wi-Fi port of the inverter. If PWR is lit and NAND is flashing, the connection is successful. First, scan the QR code on the instruction manual. Open your browser, download and install the app. Open the app and click register. Enter all the required information and click the register button below. Note, usernames must be longer than those characters. After successful registration, enter your username and password to log in. Go to the main page, click the jar icon in the upper right corner, and add a data collector. You can connect directly to nearby devices manually. Enter the Wi-Fi ID to add, or scan the Wi-Fi QR code to add. Enter the necessary information as prompted. Click complete in the upper right corner. Click on the connected device to enter the device data viewing interface, where you can perform debugging. You can now easily monitor the data and status of the speed variator remotely. This includes monitoring the device flowchart between different modules, data charts. You can also view previous operating data, as well as parameter analysis and data details. There is also an alarm interface to check if the inverter is malfunctioning. This concludes the complete Wi-Fi guide.